Shining, shining like a diamond. I see people watching.
Hey you guys, welcome back and I hope you guys are doing great. So today's video is probably something that is very useless right now because no one is going out and no one is really wearing lipsticks under their masks. Also, since everyone is home, I'm assuming that people are more inclined to experiment with different colors. So this video is probably gonna be useless, but at the same time I did plan this video for a long time. So yeah, today's video is gonna be some of my everyday lipsticks that I personally don't consider fall into the nude category, but they are on the borderline category, I guess. These are some gorgeous lip color that you can definitely wear on an everyday basis. So today's video is gonna be about lipsticks that I personally don't consider nude, but at the same time they are very much everyday kind of lip colors. Some people might be just bored after wearing nude lipsticks and they do want change, but at the same time they don't want to be like neon orange and neon reds on their lips. So if you're wondering what lip colors to choose, then this is a perfect video for you. So I'm gonna start with the one that is most expensive, but at the same time I'm pretty sure you can get this on discount. This is honestly a hidden gem from Maybelline that I think they have in their range. The Creamy Matte range is talked about so much, but no one talks about these shine lipsticks. Maybe because the shine lipstick trend hasn't yet reached India. We are still in the matte category. But I just wanted to give a big shout out to this beautiful lipstick. So this is the Maybelline Shine Compulsion lipstick in the shade Plum Seduction. So this is a pink color, but at the same time this is something that I feel like a lot more people would be able to wear since it's not really bold. The color itself is bold, but unless you layer it a few times you cannot get it to full opacity. Some people might say that this is just a lip balm in a form of lipstick with a little bit more pigmentation. I don't think so. Lip balms are a lot more waxy and they're supposed to be waxy to keep the moisture inside your lips and so that your lips don't dry out. This does not do that. This is honestly just a good layer of moisture, but I don't think this is enough to work as a lip balm. Even in the first swipe I feel like it's a lot more than a lip balm, but you can still see that the lipstick is indeed sheer and it's not exactly color loaded. It gives such a fresh and juicy look to your lips. I don't think that you'll be intimidated to wear this color, so that's the reason I've included this in my video. This will suit fair, medium and deep, all skin tones. So yes, this is a very universal color. This does retail for 550 rupees. I think I got this on discount for like 40% off, which is a great deal. If it happens, if the deal comes back again, I'm gonna probably pick a shade or two more. If I don't eat, this does last on me for like 4 hours, after which the shine will fade away. The color still stays for a while, but if you eat, even the color will come off. Your lips still will have some sort of color, but it won't be nearly as opaque and nearly as prominent as it was when you first applied. It's a shine lipstick. I don't expect a lot from it, but at the same time I just enjoy the formula so much. If you have used one, you will probably realize why I'm saying that. It's just such a comfortable, easy to wear color. Also, this does not really melt. I know a lot of shine lipsticks tend to melt in heavy, hot, humid weathers. I live in a very humid weather. I personally didn't find that this melted or anything, so yeah, this works through really well and I would definitely recommend this one. Just pick one up, see how you like it. If you like it, invest in it more. If you do not, go back to your matte lips. Also, for another pinks, I just wanted to include two more options. So in case you're looking for a pink, then I would suggest two lip liners by Miss Claire. I have swatched them in my pinks video, so you might want to check it out over there. I'm not swatching it in this video because I just don't think they are an integral part of this video, and also my lips go very dry whenever I wear those lip colors, so that's the reason I'm not swatching them. The swatches will be in that video. But these lip colors, honestly, fresh, pretty looking colors. These are definitely pinky nudes. If you're bored with brown tone nudes or caramel nudes, if you want a change, then a pinky nude would be perfect. In case you're looking for mascara lip liners and in case you're looking for pinky fresh kind of nudie colors, then those two would be great. Keeping it with the pink theme, if you have watched me for a while, you would probably know what this is. I'm not going to constantly repeat myself. This is the Nykaa So Matte mini lipstick in the shade Naughty Nude, 11M Naughty Nude. Every time I have had to describe this color, I have always described this as a fresh pink color with hints of brown to it. This will suit medium to medium deep skin tones. This makes me feel like a flower. That's the only way I can describe how I feel about it. It's very much a spring kind of color, but again, if you do not like pinks, if you do not like brown tone nudes, then this will be a perfect midsection. If you are into the bright color trend, I feel like this will be a good muted down version. So yeah, that's a good lipstick. It does last on me for 4 to 6 hours. I don't think this is a exceptionally good formula or this is a phenomenal formula. It's a very average bullet lipstick formulation, but at the same time, the color is so pretty that I enjoy it as much. If you guys have any dupes with a better formula than the Nykaa So Mattes, Mini Mattes, whatever they are called, then please let me know. Also, I've done a video regarding how much weight does this lipstick contain, like the tiny one, if it's actually 1.5 grams or is it more or is it less. I've already done a video on that. It will be linked somewhere around, so do check that out. It's a very interesting one. I personally found it interesting. I don't know about you. The next thing is a lip gloss. This used to be a clear lip gloss, but because I've applied it and used it, this has kind of changed color. This is the Essence Shine 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 lip gloss in the shade 01 Behind the Scenes. I'm aware that this has been out of stock for a while, and I wish they bring back this in stock, because if you're a lip gloss pro, this will probably be great for you. If you want a thick lip gloss that would probably last for a really long amount of time, then this would be great. Even if it's a lip gloss, it does last on me for 4 hours, and after that your lips aren't as glossy, but at the same time they haven't dried on. You will still have that sheen and the layer of moisture kind of feeling. It will still be there on your lips, so I think that's great. This is something that I would suggest for the people who are not into the whole lipstick trend. If you just like your natural lip color, but if you want to make your lips look a little bit better, then I would highly suggest owning a lip gloss. If you are just entering into college, you are done with your lip balm phase, you feel like you want something more, but at the same time you do not want to jump onto the lipstick trend, then a lip gloss will be a perfect medium. This one especially is very thick and sticky, so I would not recommend this for beginners, but I feel like a light layer of lip gloss would be great. For me, I personally use it in the way where I will apply a lipstick in the morning, and then when I have to touch things up, because my lips usually would dry out throughout the day, especially because I don't tend to drink that much water throughout the day. That's a bad habit, don't do that, but that's the place when this comes into hand. If your lipstick has cracked down and stuff, this will melt it down again and make it look not as it was, because it's a lip gloss, but it will make your lips look a lot better than what they were previously. So the crustiness is gone, your lips aren't dry anymore, the color looks better than what it previously did. So yeah, if you want it, check it out. Let's move on to some reds. Now reds, I don't think they qualify as everyday lipsticks unless you wear a red lip every day. If that's the case, then yeah, surely red lipsticks are an everyday for you. I'm just not considering them for this video, but I do have a red, and this is a red color that I feel like anyone can wear, no matter what skin tone, no matter how you like your lip formulations to be. So the one that I have here with me is Miss Claire's Soft Matte Lip Cream in the color 42. If you are a person who wants to try reds, but at the same time feels intimidated by the type of reds that are available in the market, you don't want to try this, go for this. The color 42, it's more of a red with brown undertones, but it is a wearable one. It looks pretty on every single person that I've seen wear this color, and I would recommend this to anyone who is just even starting their makeup collection. You do not want anything bright that you would not get a lot of use out of, but I feel like this is something that even if you are going to college, if you are just, you know, entering into your first college, I feel like this will be fine. This is something that will not be attention grabbing. So if you hate that feeling of your lip color being that prominent, then this would be a great option. This does last on me for like 5 to 6 hours. Soft Matte Lip Cream, I'm pretty sure most people watching me right now are familiar with this formulation. When you first apply it, it is a lip cream. It is very true to its name, and it does dry down matte after a while. If you're placing an order for Miss Claire lip colors, you want to see what other colors they have to offer, this is my personal favorite. It's a very gorgeous formula, and I would definitely suggest this one. Okay, so the last one I have here with me is actually a surprise find. So this year I got a few L18 lipsticks. That's when I got this one too. This is in the shade Pink Spice. Did not expect to like this color so much, but amongst the ones that I have, this is probably my favorite. So this is not exactly a nude. The name makes such sense. It's definitely a pinky red color with brown undertones. This is borderline nude for darker skin tone people. I feel like this is a color that all skin tones can wear. I think except for Naughty Nude, everything that I have mentioned today will suit deeper skin tones as well, so I'm really happy about that fact. This color, it is just stunning in my opinion. It's something that I did not expect to like so much, but in case you do not like reds, in case you do not like pinks, it's still a muted red pink color with heavy brown hints. It does last on me for around 5 to 6 hours. I feel like this is on par with other bullet lipstick formulas that I've tried in the past. So this is actually really good, and it only retails for 75 rupees. So if you wanted colors from L18, I would definitely suggest this one. Instead of getting that mauve date shade that everyone talks about and how pretty it is, get this one and thank me later. Unless you like pink colors, then you go for mauve date. And if you have like 75 rupees left for your cart to reach the shipping cap, add this one highly suggested. And yes, this does transfer. This is not a matte formula despite what the name suggests, but it does have that sheen to it. For anyone who does not want to invest that much in lipstick, this is a great option. I've already swatched a lot of L18 lipsticks. If you want to check that out, that video will be linked somewhere around. But yeah, this is a very stunning color and probably my favorite one from the ones that I own. That is it. I hope some of these lip colors were helpful for you guys. I hope people who are just starting, just going into college, or maybe their office for the first time, not want to wear anything intimidating, I hope these colors, these lipsticks will be helpful. Right now, no one is going anywhere. I'm very well aware of the fact, but maybe for the future people who are going to college and stuff, this will be helpful. If you did enjoy this video, then please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, leave down your video requests. If your video requests are getting delayed, then I'm so sorry. I'm pre-filming a lot of content because I know my exams are gonna be building up on me, and in December and January I'm probably not gonna be able to film and do anything. So if your video request wasn't attended to immediately, then I'm so sorry, but yeah, I will get to those as soon as possible. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Once again, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.